thief. Hi, is where you going with me box them?
Sir.
No, sir. Call the police. Call the police.
All
Lady,
I'm
call the
doing
police.
is assisting you, sir.
Assisting who? Assisting yourself to me bag them. I said thief. Police.
What seems to be the problem, sir? I am the manager of the hotel.
Me dear sir, I was coming out of the car to come and spend my vacation into your nice, beautiful hotel. When out of nowhere, I see this thieving man come to thief me things them, sir.
Oh, I apologize for this misunderstanding, but this goodly gentleman is our bellman.
That is what I was trying to tell you, Oliver.
Bellman, what that have to do with it? Look here now, sir. Please don't come to me with your politics. I am a tourist, not a politician. Bellman or no bellman, him is a blinking thief.
Oh, no, sir. This gentleman is a bellman who works for the hotel. Our bellmen are responsible for attending to the luggage of our registered guests.
Attending to me box them?
Yes, sir. Seeing to it that they're taken to the room that we have prepared for you.
Oh, like a buckler. Then why you never said that all along? Him is a buckler. Well, sorry about the embarrassment. My name is Oliver.
Pleased to meet you, sir.
Oh, yes, sir. You see, I win a church raffle, you know, and me get the gate prize for too, so me come down here to spend my holiday.
Oh, you are Olivius Adams,
Yes.
the lucky winner. We have been expecting you.
Oh.
Jackson is the name. Yes. Bill Jackson.
Yes.
General manager of this property. Please call me Bill.
And you can call me Oliver. I am so happy to make your acquaintances.
Bellman, please ensure that all the courtesies of the hotel are extended to Mr. Adams.
Certainly, sir. Introduce me to Oliver.
Oh, this is Fear. My lady. She come with me.
Pleased to meet you.
Delighted.
Do have a pleasant stay at our hotel.
Thank you, sir, and I intend to be very pleasant.
Hi. It's my vocation, you know. It's not yours.
Please step this way.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Oh,
Receptionist?
yes.
This is Mr. Olivius Adams. Would you register him, please?
Oh, certainly, sir.
Do have a wonderful vacation, both of you. And if there's a problem, don't hesitate to call on me. Remember, it's Bill.
Okay, Bill. I will.
Good day, sir. No, may I help?
Fear. The place nice, don't you, man?
Oliver, this is the nicest place you could ever choose for a practice honeymoon.
Aye. Come, let me take your photo. Let me
Good
take your
day,
photo.
sir.
Stand up over
Well-
there, sir. Pause.
All right.
Pause again. Aye, you're in that picture. Come out. Make him come out. Nice.
All right, let me take yours.
Good. Yes, take my one now. Come.
Put on the shades now.
Oh, yes. Oh, me could have forget that.
Okay, good day, sir. Now, may I...
No, me not take him. Aye, miss, take the now. Take it to our now. Come. Take it to our way.
Good day, sir. Welcome to the Jamrock Hotel.
Oh, morning, ma'am. Please, if you got a room there for me.
Do you have a reservation, sir?
No, ma'am. Me and my guest is here at a special request. You got the room for where you don't got the room, ma'am?
We have vacant rooms, sir, but this is a check-in procedure, sir. What is your name, sir?
Oliver, ma'am.
Single?
Now, what my marital status have to do with whether me get a room or not, ma'am?
I just need some information before I can assign you a room, sir. Single, meaning the occupancy of the room, sir. Single room or double room, sir?
Well, it's two a we. We's not single.
Okay, we have a selection of king-size leisure rooms available. Which would you prefer, sir? A garden view, ocean view, or mountain view, sir?
Give me the whole of them. Give me the best room.
Okay, well, we have some rates here for our ocean view rooms.
We seems not to be understanding something here, miss.
Tell her.
We are here on a prize trip.
Of course, we got to a church function and we win the gate prize for two. And them tell me we're going to get everything. Now, all right, see the brochure here? See where it say here?
Yes, we have your reservation for the weekend, sir. You're in a double standard room.
All right, give me the king room. The one with the mountain in the background, the sea at the front, and the running river at the doorstep.
What about the honeymoon suite?
Please don't overdo it. And what about this, eh? What about the mountain climbing and the horseback
Jacuzzi
riding?
and the sauna.
Yes, and the skiing.
Skiing, sir. And might I tell you that the package that we're offering you offers a weekend of wonderful relaxation and one meal a day. Now, your room number is 041, and how do you propose to settle your incidental, sir?
Call the police. Call the army. Come any incident in here.
Incidental, sir. The additional charges, sir. How do you propose to pay? Cash or credit card?
Look here, now, lady. From the day I born, I never credit nothing yet. The nearest thing I get to credit is hire purchase.
Yes, sir.
Cash. Fear. Give me the money. Come on. See your money, dear. See your money, dear. Oh, come, see it there.
You pay later, sir. Now, would you sign here for me, please?
Yes.
The bellman will take you to your room. Okay. And I hope you have a very pleasant stay, sir.
Thanks. Buckler.
Sir?
Follow back away.
Are you Oliver?
This is your room, sir. Number 41. One of the best in the hotel.
Make me decide that for myself.
Your phone number is the same as your room number, sir. Everything all right, sir?
Just a minute, Mr. Buckler. It seemed like the receptionist at the front desk gave me the wrong room. Where is the mountain? Ain't somebody thief it? Where is the sea? It dry up. And where is the running water? Gone underground? When I look outside, all I see is source of bush.
It's not so bad after all, Oliver.
Oh, not take people for idiot in here. Look, see it here? The brochure said, this is what me to get, and this is what me must get. You know what? Call the manager. I say call Bill.
It's about 6 sheets them have on the one natural.
But, sir, I have nothing to do with it. All I'm doing is following orders.
And I am ordering you to call the manager.
Oliver, the dead diggy.
You stand up there and look like when thunder clap puss on the pear tree. I said call the manager.
And which way we sleep on this?
Is what wrong with you doing here? You have a week back. From you come in here holiday and it's the bed this, the bed that. The bed business. Hi, Buckler. Please go and take me things and carry them back downstairs.
But, sir.
No but, sir, nothing. And no fella go hot in here. I walk.
Okay, sir. I will call the manager personally for you.
Oliver, take time with him now. Poor thing. Make him go.
All right. Go on. No. So go on now.
Tip Oliver. Tip him now.
Oh, tip. Me forgot. Now, will you please to move your car and tip it or straight out through the door?
We can sleep sideways or head to head.
It's very really up to here. What you up to? You really take this thing of your honeymoon practice.
Oliver, give me a kiss now.
No, make me back on it up. Come on, But you good one in fear?
With what?
Last night, me and you dance. I just get up and left me song and dance with the long maga boy. It hurts me, man.
I'm gonna say it hurts you.
Anyway, forget about that. That's a last night business. Hey, no. You see when the whole people them did crowd me around? You don't never believe what happened.
What?
The whole of them say how me look like Mike Tyson. Up in the autograph.
You're too nice.
Serious thing. Hi. You see how long we sit down here so and a source of water the man can come give it?
I noticed.
Look here. Why we don't go on like we're foreigner and speak with twang? That way then we can conserve with quick. You can't talk with twang?
We will try.
No, you can't say that way. Say, I'll try.
I'll try.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Yeah! Ready for order though, sir?
Look, man. You know how long we've been sitting here waiting on you and you coming to us since I read to order? At least let me look on the menu. What happened? I just get up out of bed, you know. I should have the chance to look at the menu properly.
Mr. The man over there so miserable, busy man.
Which man that?
See him over there, some man.
Oh, you mean the big head, round head one?
See them over there for over 1 hour and them make up in mind that we fair order.
I saw them man they see man. I saw them like serve them people, you know.
Over there, try twang. What you rushing me for? If I never want thing this morning, if I never want lose the little work, I'm gonna see twang in there this morning and see who I rush who. You wanna pedigree?
No man, just cool man. You can't make a man like that make you lose the work, man. It's easy, man. Hey, you look like him ready for your order. You better go to him.
Hey, you watch me and him with the twang. You see who can twang from who can twang today.
Yeah.
Ready for order now, sir?
I can't even make up my mind, man. I think you better take my wife's order first.
Ready for order now, ma'am?
I'll take an egg omelette. Okay? Make that a big egg omelette, all right?
Well, it depends on which one you want. 2 egg or 3 egg. Or you could have a little of everything. Or you could have the Spanish omelette with vegetables.
Oh, that sounds good.
You're gonna kill me. You
Tell
gotta kill me.
me.
Sorry.
Tell me, how do you do it? Broiled, fried, or scalded?
Anyway, you want.
I tell you what, I'll take an egg omelette, a big egg omelette, okay?
Score.
Scalded, all right. What you say, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, what you having, sir?
Well, I'll take the porridge. Give me the cornmeal porridge and some sardine and 2 slices of bread. I'll do bread.
No. Listen, we don't serve them type of food upon the menu. We don't serve Jamaican food. Tell me something. You Jamaican?
Of course I'm not Jamaican. But you see where I come from, there's so much Jamaicans in West Indian there, and I always hear the Jamaicans talking about cornmeal porridge and ardo bread. So give me that.
Tell you what we can do for you, sir. We can serve you a hot bowl of cereal plus a tuna sandwich.
I does not want any cereal. I said I want cornmeal porridge and ardo bread, and that's what I want to get.
Look, sir, that's not the upon the menu.
Let me ask you one question. You don't serve local food in here?
Ah,
We just don't have that upon the menu.
Well, let me tell you something. Get me the monitor. Call Bill. I said to call Bill.
Oliver,
You don't
don't
understand.
create,
I don't want to understand nothing. I want you to call Bill.
We don't want to serve this, sir. It's just
don't
like we
create
serve
a
that.
scene. Let's avoid the embarrassment. My God.
I'm not afraid of embarrassment, you know. I can't be embarrassed when you come on to my food. I said to call Bill. Oh,
Good morning, sir. What a beautiful day. Are you enjoying your breakfast?
are I enjoying what? You see any food in front of me?
What's the problem, sir? How can we please you?
will you please me by please to serving me, please, sir? Let me ask you one question. You don't serve Jamaicans in here?
Oh, but we do serve Jamaicans, sir. It has always been a policy of this hotel.
So you're calling me a liar? His hand truth me telling. Call back the waiter. I said call him back because he was right here, so I him serve with the water and don't bring us to be clear.
This has got to be a misunderstanding, sir.
No misunderstanding at all, sir. This is a blatant case of discrimination and exploitation.
Sure.
What happened? Not because me look so. What you think? You don't think that I can eat into a hotel, sir?
Sir, with due respect, let me remind you that the payment of your bill is complimentary.
I travel all over the world, you know. I travel all over the world and eat in all sorts of restaurants free, from Kentucky Fried Chicken to Buckingham Palace. And I never get this sort of treatment here. Let me ask you something. You don't serve residents here?
Sir, we have never refused to serve residents. And furthermore, as a resident myself, I empathize with you. This sort of behavior cannot be condoned.
Hey, you are resident? Master not talk so make people hear you, yeah? And in any event, you wouldn't understand, you know. Because anywhere you go with your high collar, you will never have no problem to get anything.
Well, let's not get personal now, sir.
My personality is quite okay, you know, sir. When I done with you, you see, I go and report to all the radio program them on radio and in all the scandal paper them.
Certainly you wouldn't allow this small incident to be the cause of a national discussion on the mass media.
Me wouldn't allow it. Your hotel couldn't afford it. Because, you know, so when them the people that done with you, you know, he's bury them when go bury you.
Sir, how can we compensate you for this embarrassment? Sir, as a distinguished guest, can we offer you the special recreational package? Horseback riding, scuba diving, use of the exclusive pool, sauna, the games court.
So wait. Is buy you or buy me out? Is bribe you or bribe me?
Oh, no, sir, nothing of the sort.
Well, when I done report this a hotel to CNN, ABC, NCB, BBC, LQP, what is another one?
ZQI.
Sir, what about the presidential suite, sir? And all meals?
Free of charge?
Free of charge.
Now you're talking my language. Waiter!
Waiter!
Waiter! Service air!
How?
Hey, you sure everything went out of the pan tray then?
Yes, man.
Hmm.
One bottle of wine.
Hold on. What the order?
Right on the top pocket.
All right. Come. One on.
One bottle of wine.
Mm-hmm.
4 helpings of rice and peas. 2 lobster.
Mm-hmm.
1
Fish fillet?
fish fillet, right.
Mm-hmm.
1 chef salad.
Mm-hmm.
And cake and ice cream for dessert.
Mm-hmm. You sure this is the order? The two of them can't eat so much.
On the order word for word. Him did all order steak and change your mind.
Ah,
And
you-
order it again.
You just make sure. Steak and lobster. This body can't eat steak and lobster.
You know, sir, so some of them local let's stay, man. Them order anything will look good on the menu.
Real butter. Then, you know, here, when do you see the man, you know?
What?
Real butter, you know. He eat him breakfast and left back some. Have a nerve to turn on, look at me and say, that are the tip.
What a face. But me not look for nothing from none of them, man.
No, man, me left him because you know what him, you see.
Eh.
Go into the sauna.
Eh.
Set no high enough. So he himself go turn you up high. Scald off the whole and back. Then, not done yet. He might walk around with a big gas in that big hand forehead. Set him up play doubles in that tennis. And the girl them come with, lick him straight them forehead.
Steady.
Yeah. Long distance. From who? Yeah. Put her on. Listen. Is how you come back already? Why you cut your vacation? No. It's me alone down here. It's a lie you hear. It says me alone down here. You mad? You can't come down here. No. Hold on. Listen. Somebody at the door to me and say, I can't talk to you now. Call me back. Okay? All right.
It's when you did that talk on the phone.
Oh, it's wrong room. Somebody call some direction. You don't know which part of the place in Jamaica is. Lord.
Warm to you.
Oh, the head. Look here now. Fear. I think we better leave this place here. Let we leave.
Oliver, man, you better come with that, man. Just as I was about to enjoy myself now.
No. Me can't stay. Me have to call my doctor. The head and the hand. Boy, come. Fear. Come, me pack up them things here. Me not stay here. Me have to call doctor. Come take your bag. Take your... I said get up.
How no again? 41?
Yeah, man.
Alright, knock pan, you know.
How me fi knock pan is me two and them full up. We all sorry. Then knock louder now.
Why you never come knock pan? You think me want him report me again and make me lose the little work?
Sure, man. Come, hold this.
Take your time, you know.
Yes, man. You have it?
Yeah, move your hand.
All right.
What you do, man? What you do?
Listen, me move your hand long time, man.
Alright, go on.
All right, watch me.
Cause you look like you want to lose the work. Take your time, knock, you know.
Yeah, man.
Look, what you do now, man?
All right, just cool now, man. Hello?
Hello? Oh, this strange. All them out of the food and gone. Call the front desk and find out what I'm here, brother.
Nah. Hello? Yeah, front desk. Yeah, this is waiter from room service. Calling from room 41. Yeah, about the guest. Oh, I see. Okay.
What them say?
The man downstairs, I check out.
I check out?
Hey.
Let me go carry all this food, come here. Oh, boy. So what we are going to do with all this food?
Might as well take it back down to the kitchen, I suppose.
Hey, what up? From this man come here, pure complimentary baguette, you know. All this food are free.
Boy. Drop a chair there, boy.
We start to the wine, boy.
Yes, man.
I you know me never want to serve him.
A true man. Clean.
And that's my bad luck, you know. Because of what we ate and did it.
All right.
Come on, cheer.
See ya.
Oh, Mr. Adams, are you checking out already, sir? I hope you enjoyed your stay, sir.
You must be blind. You come. Take your key.
But why are you leaving already, sir?
Ask him again. Him could never stay. Let us enjoy room service.
Enjoy room service and dead from the Curtis is extended to it. Me drop off of the horse. Me nearly drown in the executive pool. And the swan a burn up the whole of me back. Lord, come lady. Come here. Take the key and let me come out of this place here.
Did you enjoy your stay, ma'am?
Enjoy, ma'am. With this agony.
Here, don't get me bringing up on my dying state.
Okay. Here's your bill for your incidentals, sir.
What? No. This is not mine.
Oh, yes, it is, sir. Our telephone system is completely computerized, and it copies automatically to your bill. Now, these calls were made directly from room 41. There were 2 calls, one to Kingston and another to Port Antonio.
That is what you call Kingston for.
And there were 2 collect calls, sir. On both occasions, you spoke to a Marie,
When you find time to call Marie.
Lord, fear. I know me call her. I she call me. Listen now, man. Me not paying for no call when me not make you know. I beg you call the manager for me. Call the fair skin man make him come. And on the
there
case.
really is no reason to get the manager involved in this, sir. All you need to do is settle your bill.
Bill? What bill? Me say me no make no call lady. Me say me not pay for no call. Oh, watch me out in that thing. Watch me out. Me not paying for no call. Oh. Aye. Don't you say married it call collect? Why you never collect from her?
What's the promotion for? Did someone call me?
Front desk? Oh, yes. Mr. Adams? Yes, I can take a message for him. Oh, yes, certainly. Mr. Adams, Marie called. She says she has arrived. And would you pick her up at the airport?
Oh, you never smoke without fire. And that she call you and tell us that she got do.
Madam, would you lower your voice, please?
That is why you broke him at Phillies just to figure 2 hours. You're not paying. You don't feel pain yet, you know. You don't feel pain yet.
Marie, man.
Don't come call me, Marie. You see me look like Marie to you.
Bill, me I beg you try come
Don't
on
put him in
down.
that
Take your money.
We don't need
Take
no
your money.
Marie, so
Take
don't
your
call
money.
me
Keep the
Marie. You see me look like
change.
Marie to
Where the
you.
buckler? Buckler! Come get a taxi for me now.
Yes, get the taxi. Get the taxi.
Yeah, come quick.
Get Marie, carry you.
Oliver, we're rich.
Maffy, don't I tell you not to come back here, man?
Oliver, every night you go to your bed, you should give thanks for having a virgin like me.
Locusts for the Egyptians, Maffy for Oliver.
Oliver, I'm going to make you a rich man.
You're going to make me into a dead man or a convict.
How tall is?
Maffy, what you looking? A date?
This is an important question. How tall is?
5'8" and 3/4.
Perfect. Weight?
176, 180 when my belly full.
This is unbelievable.
Maffy,
This is a miracle.
what you talking about?
You're perfect, Oliver.
Perfect for what?
Be fed.
Like your father.
No. Be fed was the same weight, height, and build.
Who is this beefhead?
Joseph James. But don't worry about that, man. Ask who is him granduncle.
All right. Who is him granduncle?
A rich man.
Rich? How rich?
Filthy rich man. Filthy rich.
So why you so excited?
Because I know him personally.
So what?
Well, as you know, I am still into the private eye business.
Maffy, don't use that word private time to me again. You hear me?
I know you had a little bad experience with the last assignment.
A little bad experience. You call a mild concussion, a broke foot, a broken and 2 fractured finger, a little bad experience?
Oliver, there's money in the private business, you know. But it kind of risky sometimes.
Goodbye, Murphy.
Take my current assignment, for example.
No. You take it. Take it and come out from the yard. After all.
Oliver. Oh, Oliver. You know when you open the highlight that you look just like Joseph? Look at this picture.
Who this?
Joseph James.
Murphy, this picture look anything like me?
You are the dead stampine, except for the face.
Murphy, come out here before I lose my temper, you know.
Oliver, come on, let me give you the full story. This is Joseph James, a working for his granduncle Lazarus James, who is terminally ill but very rich.
Murphy, come out. Me say come out before I lose my cool.
What? Lazarus claimed that Joseph is his only surviving relative.
So
He commissioned me to locate him.
why?
Because I'm doing about to inherit him inheritance.
So how much money am I pay for all this?
Monkey money.
So why you so excited?
That's the question you should ask first. The big money part.
All right. I ask. Now answer me.
You see, you hide them light up when you hear about money.
Come on. I said come on. Come on. Mister, come on.
All right, now come on.
Come out.
Lazarus, I walk around with one hell of a grip of money. Full grip.
Hold.
Full.
Murphy, wait a little bit. Don't leave. I want to talk to you. Just a minute. What you planning to do with it?
I'm planning to leave it to him only surviving relative.
Joseph?
Joseph. Him granduncle lose track eye when the granduncle was in one of them small islands. If him can't find this Joseph, him plan to leave all their money to the post.
Post?
1 dozen posts.
1 dozen rich posts?
No, viewing this thing from a religious point of view, I figure with so much hungry human being around the world, it would be sinful to leave all that money to post.
Hey, I wonder how they would have spent it.
I figure we'll be doing humanity a great service by making the post don't get that money.
I agree with you. But how you plan to find him?
Find who?
Joseph,
Find him for what?
so that he can inherit him inheritance from granduncle.
All my preliminary investigation indicates that him is nowhere in the island. So how I must know where to find him?
That is where your special private eye skill come in.
This Joseph must have probably migrate by now. But I have a plan.
Oh yes.
No.
Here it comes.
Mr. James can't answer so well.
Therefore,
Therefore, he would know the real Joseph from an imitation one.
all right. Come, not gonna further. Goodbye.
Just right. You should disguise yourself as Joseph.
Murphy, I said stop right there, so stop.
Just for argument's sake, man, you should have dressed up like Joseph. I would have carried you back and present you as Joseph. When I don't disguise you, Mr. James would know the difference. I am positive. You must just hand over the money, and you might be better off with efforts.
Just so.
Of course. And we would have derived a small benefit too.
We? How we come in? It's me in going to give the money to you now.
Oliver, stop the joking, man. This is serious business.
No, Murphy. I couldn't do that. Because I wouldn't be comfortable to know that I am robbing money from a dying man.
Robbing money, Oliver. Who wouldn't be robbing no money? Aye, Oliver. You'd have preferred the money instead lock up in the bank somewhere and don't circulate. Lock up in the bank for buy post feeding. Would be helping the economy too, you know.
Suppose the man asks me a question when me can't answer.
No big thing about that, man. Mr. James don't see for this long while. Many years now.
So what else you know about Joseph?
Everything that Mr. James know, I make him give me a full brief before I take on the assignment.
About how much money you saying I grip?
Whole heap of grands upon grands. Him say the whole and fortune in the grave.
Grands? No, Matthew. Me not into it. This must be a criminal offense somewhere along the line.
Oliver, you want to push them get the money?
You say a few grands well?
One hell of a grip.
Ula money?
Listen, I will teach you all there is to know that in case Mr. James throw any question at you.
Listen, when me disguise.
We'll look about that, man. Don't worry about that.
All right. Make we get a try. But Matthew,
Now you're talking.
you sure this thing not going to end up in a prison?
Oh, shame on you, Oliver, man.
Or the hospital?
Nothing like that.
Or 6 foot under?
He's as safe as a church mouse.
Matthew, you know sometimes I feel say you're whore behind me. Who is it?
Mr. Private Eye Murphy.
Enter.
Good news, Mr. James. Good news.
Who you again?
Private Eye Murphy Cardosa. I find him.
Who?
Your grandnephew.
Who that?
Joseph.
Oh, my grandnephew Joseph James.
Right,
Yes.
live and in living colors.
So where is?
Outside.
Good. Look, you never tell him why it is I wanted to see him, though.
No, you tell me not to tell him, so I didn't tell him.
Very good. So why it is I want to see him?
Your inheritance?
Oh, yes.
But I'm suffering bad though, Mr. James.
Remember me?
Yes. Him said him was your favorite grandnephew.
That is true.
Really?
Did I tell you that I was a very rich old man?
Yes. But him in a bad state though, Mr. James. Him don't live now here.
So how you find him then?
Oh, it's a long road of deciphering clues, asking questions, following leads, traveling hundreds of miles. Perseverance, that's my motto. Never give up.
You deserve every penny of your fee, Private. You know, Private, I was in the army too once.
Private Eye Murphy Cardosa. Not private soldier, private eye.
So where the boy?
Him outside.
Go and get him.
Uh,
But hold on. You really deserve a fee, you know. But how much was it again?
forget about that, man. Forget about that.
Very good, man. You're a very good young man.
All right? I'll be
May
back.
God's blessings go with you as it go with me.
I'll be back in a minute, all right?
Very good, man. Him deserve God's richest blessings.
Brace yourself, Mr. James. Here comes your only surviving relative and your favorite nephew, Joseph. Joseph.
Beefhead!
Uncle.
Uncle?
Uncle Lazarus.
Uncle Lazarus. Don't call me no Uncle Lazarus.
Yes, man.
Call
Cut
me
out
what
the
you
uncle business.
usually call me as a boy.
Sure, cut out the uncle business, man.
Yes, Mr. Uncle. Lazar. Call me Lazar. That is what you used to call me as a boy.
Yes, that was the name I was talking about while I was driving down here, man. Lazar.
But me never sure say Lazar. Would I appreciate it? How do you mean? Me used to call you Beefhead, and you used to call me Lazar. Remember? If me remember, how I could I forget a thing like that? Lazar and Beefhead.
That's right.
Your head still beefy? Eh? Your head beefy same way?
Yes, Mr. James. Even beefy enough.
My eyes not 100% no more, you know. Come and sit down by me, let me feel it, how it beefy. Yes. Beefy same way.
Especially when I'm back,
But hold on. You put on weight?
Yes.
A little.
But him not so healthy though. Him not eating right at all.
So how him so weighty?
Yes, man. Full up of gas.
Gas. So gas. About your mother. Oh, she's fine. I was so sad to hear that she passed away. She was very fine before she passed on. Very fine. What about the funeral? How it was? What? Your mother's funeral. Sad, very sad. But everybody enjoyed themselves.
Yes. But, since him mother passed away, him don't live anywhere. Him just walk up and down the street. Nowhere to rest his beefy head.
You communicate with your thieving brother? No, sir. Him too thief. But he's your brother, man.
You must make yourself receptive if him try to communicate with you.
As a matter of fact, I dismember. I talked to him week before last.
What?
Yes.
You talk to your brother?
Oh, yes.
What? What him say?
Whole heap of foolishness.
You talk to him long?
Oh, one long time me talk to him on the phone.
Phone?
Yes.
You talk to your brother on the phone?
Of course. All the time.
My God. He's modern day dopey them catch on to the technology.
Dopey.
Well, you know what? It's so them go on the spirit world now, you know. Yes, I have a friend. Her husband dead about 5 years back. And she talked to him about yesterday.
So what him say?
Her husband.
No, your brother beefhead.
Him say, he tell me say, me must expect a special gift from a close family member. Something like that.
Yes.
Ever since that boy thief the 20 shilling off of my bureau, me never forgive him. 20 shilling.
20 shilling.
That is why they're rich.
So how the eye?
Oh, the eye all right. Just like the eye.
I thought you would lose that eye ever since the boy juke in it with the pencil.
Yes, it was one hell of a joke him give me in my eye. As the stars, the Milky Way, and all of the consolation.
Them should have expelled that boy. And you know, it's your right eye am juking, not even the left one.
Yes, and see that me is right-handed, you know. I tend to use up the right eye more.
Yes.
I am telling you, man, I know sometimes it not get better too good, you know. It blurry.
Poor fella. Poor soul.
Oh, and you see, let me tell you now, I should go back to the doctor, you know. But I'm telling you, man, the money thing beating me.
Yes, if you don't go look about that eye, you know, I think you're going to lose it.
You mean after all this time it's still trouble you?
Well, Uncle, when the weather cold.
Yes. Mm-hmm. And like how you have to sleep in a bus shed, you must have hell in the winter.
One hell of a time.
Why, it's a good thing to your granduncle find you, man.
Such a long time. You know, the last time I hear about you is when your wife passed on.
Oh, yes, poor soul. She just passed on.
Yes,
So.
when she passed on here down the road to ask me how I was a couple years back.
Yes, so sad. She just get up one day out of the house and say she going to go down the road. Passed on sudden.
She still look good?
Hey, yes, Laza. You know, say me have good taste when it come to that.
You know, you always like them fat and round.
Yes, man. They're fat and round, you know.
So it really surprised me that you married this mager one.
Well,
Mr. James, what about inheritance?
way up.
You remember that Saturday night? You know, when we went crab hunting and we get lost in the swamp?
If I remember. How could I forget a thing like that? It was so fun.
That was the most frightening night of our life.
Yes, the most frightening fun.
But Mr. James, you better come back quick, man.
You know, all alone in the swamp.
Swamp.
All them frightening sounds, the strange sounds.
Strange.
Darkness as far as the eye could see, or couldn't see.
Darkness.
You know, it's a good thing that dog would find us that night.
You remember that little dog there?
I must remember the dog. I know that saved his life, lead us out of the swamp.
It's who it belongs to again.
No one stray dog.
Yes, a stray dog. A little good stray dog. A little black good stray dog.
Brown.
Yes, brown. And black with a green stripe. So, How your mother?
Who? My mother?
Yes.
Why you ask me that question?
Me no know. Maybe me not look argument.
Della not dead 30 years ago when you was a little boy?
True. Sorry to
James,
hear.
Mr. James, can we get down to the matter at hand?
Yes. Let us get down to business, beef.
Yes, Lazar.
Now, as you know, I am a wealthy old man.
Oh, yes. No. Me never know that.
I've made my wealth, a part of it, in Grenada. But you know, I haven't been keeping in very good health of late.
Oh, I am so sorry to hear.
And you are my only living blood relative left.
Yes, Lazar. Me alone.
You and the cat.
Yes. Me and the cat.
So, before I go to my maker, I'll
I will do it.
No, let me help.
No, it's all right. It's all right.
put it here. Put it here. I have a few things to pass on. But first, I have something to ask of you, Beefhead. You have to promise me to take care of the cats.
No problem, man. No
I
problem.
am speaking to my grandnephew.
No problem at all, Lazar. Me, we control the puss then.
What I mean by take care is you have to take them home to your yard and make them live with you.
All right.
I want you to sign this. This is an agreement that you take care of the cat them until the rest of your life.
All right, we will witness it. What next?
Hold on. This is the first Willie penny I ever earned when I was a young boy.
Willie Penny.
Willie penny. Yes, and you see this? This is the pajama pants that me sleep in when me and your grand-aunt, was on our honeymoon.
Go down to the bottom of the grip, Mr. James. Bottom.
This is the purple lotion to put upon the cat them when them scratch up them one another.
You say you can't me come inside and have to come turn puss, doctor.
Patience. This is a picture of the whole family with you, me, your grand-aunt, your father, your brother, all of them.
But Beefhead, it was a huggy child.
Give me this.
This is a pile of letters, all the letters that you write to me one a month when I was there at Bellevue. Well, this is some old clothes, some shirts, and pants and jackets and hat that you could use as judging clothes.
But he must think so this is the Salvation Army.
Where the money is, Mr. James?
That is all.
All?
Yes. All.
Where the money? Your riches.
My riches are not of this world, Miss Hon.
So which other world they mean?
I speak not of material wealth or earthly riches.
Wonder why they let this man out of Bellevue, sir. Maffy.
Hold on. You can't leave now. You have to take the post then. Come, Grey Mankin.
Yeah, Maffy.
Pardon?
Let me take care of this. Come. Come.
Push.
Yeah, well, I didn't know.
Push.
Me and Murphy. Where the post them? Go.
Oliver, how you mean if you do a thing like that, man? Why you throw the post through the window upon my bed?
I am sharing my legacy with you.
The post them go wild na me here. Them a beat off my landlord there.
You're too little. That's why.
So what me must do with them now?
When we must do it, oh, close up where you put pan. When we do with them, you tell me when we must do with them.
When me see my walk around with big, and I talk about him well. I thought it was morning night. I couldn't know it was closed. Anyway, I dash them way. Them style will come back now fashion.
Matty.
Anyway, you promised the man to look after the post them. You cannot go back on your word. You signed an agreement.
12 posts? Which party near me have space to raise 12 posts?
You know, don't be like a playing ground on your backyard, man.
Maffy, you know, say I have a strange feeling that you didn't know that the man was a papa all along.
Oh, me must know that, Oliver. Me and the man talk about him wealth. Oh, must know him talk about spiritual wealth. Anyway, you trying to outfit them yet?
Wait, look of it. Hold on. Maffy, hold on. I have an idea. Try these on.
Me look like masquerade to you.
Me
I
say,
don't find anybody know.
put them on.
Hey, me not put them on where you go to? Where you go to? Eh?
Nothing.
Just school, Oliver.
Me not go do nothing.
Just school, Oliver. Just
You remember the last time when you carried me upon your last assignment, how me did look?
Just school, man.
Put them on! Me say put them on.
All right. No go put them on. Do not lick me with that. No go put them on. No go put them on. You hear? No lick me with it.
All right?
Yes, all right.
Now, come out.
Oliver, you really are going to go on the road
Me
like
say come out.
Oliver, me try and go on the road.
Show me door. Me not ask. Go, sir. Go, sir. Me say what? What? Jam Kunu. Masquerade. You don't want nothing from them. Go. I said out. Go. Go. And me got the first laugh. Why? Not even the dog then recognize you. Where you go? Go, sir. Out. Me say go out. Go out. Gala. Move from the gate. Move.